Fahad Mustafa. Fahad Mustafa was born June 26, 1983, is a Pakistani film and television actor, producer and host known for his hosting of the game show Jito Pakistan being aired on ARI Digital. Fahad Mustafa, born June 26, 1983, is a Pakistani television actor, producer and model. He has acted in many television serials throughout 2000s and is the son of Sindhi character actor Salahuddin Chunil. He started his career with Shishi Ka Mahal in 2002 and has established a huge name for himself in Pakistani television industry. Fahad Mustafa is also known as Sunny Chunil. His notable television serials include Shishi Ka Mahal, Aal Dil Baturani, Ae-T Junoon, Ahd Pool Surat, and Mastanamat. Fahad has portrayed many different character roles throughout his career, and his most notable performance was in Main Abdul Qadir Khoon. He is also a host of a digital competition dance show Nachlet. He was nominated for a Lux Style Award for Best TV Actor Satellite for his performance in Aal Dil. The results have not yet been announced. Career. Fahad Mustafa started his acting career with a silent role in Shishi Ka Mahal 2002. Although the drama flopped, but Fahad was noticed for his silent role in the serial for about 17 or 18 episodes. Despite being the son of an actor, Fahad's early career was very troubled as he had to face the misbehavior of his senior, but he would later appear in many different character roles that established him as a popular actor in the industry. Fahad's next breakthrough role was with his first lead role in Veena 2008. Fahad also became a producer at age 25 in 2008. As a producer, his long play Kalik became a huge hit on PTV starring Sanam Balak. Fahad had already established himself as a popular actor, but his real fame occurred after his portrayal of the lead role on Hum TV drama serial Main Abdul Qadir Khoon 2010. It has been noticed as Fahad's best performance in his television career, as he portrayed the mentally sick boy whose life took twists and turns, converting him into a spoiled young man and eventually into a religious person. In 2011, Fahad was able to gain his next lead role in Pool Surat on ARI Digital, portraying the negative character. He gained another lead role in Hum TV serial Mastanamat, portraying the Sindhi waiter. Fahad Mustafa. Personal life and family introduction. Fahad Mustafa is a popular actor and model in Pakistan's showbiz industry. Fahad Mustafa was born in Karachi. His birthday or date of birth is on 26 June and his height is 5'10". His real name is Fahad Salahuddin Chunil. His family background is very educated. His father Salahuddin Chunil is a PhD scholar in chemistry. No doubt he belongs to the showbiz family, but even then he has achieved his goal of success by making a prominent position in showbiz on the basis of his talent. Selected television Prominent Wujubila Raidi Tumcho Miley Ahd Main Abdul Qadir Khoon Main Chant Aside Mastanamat Maris Aadeen Look Hasil Near Hingraki Banker BK Tamarala Hasil Si Koi Main Atna Desari DB My Ben I-20 Jito Pakistan. As producer Desari DB Babu Pibam Rang Baka E8 Yesh Q Wak Adak Muka Bill Bikasar.